Hey, what's up everybody? This is Chad Henry for you here again at Holiday Motors. Right now I'm going to show you this beautiful 2021 Hyundai Santa Fe Calligraphy that we just traded in. This is a 21 with right around 45,000 miles on it. We'll confirm that when we get inside. But we traded it from its second owner that was right here in Virginia. The first owner was one in Texas. The second owner has had it since March of 2023, so a little over 2.5 years. It was traded in on something quite a bit smaller than this. And this thing is loaded up. Absolutely nothing wrong with it. It is, again, the calligraphy package. It is all-wheel drive, and it is fully loaded. We're going to show you all that equipment here in just a moment. Right now, I want to show you how perfect that this paint is. And very little to no road rash on the front bumper here, as you can see. Clean history report, 0 accidents, well maintained. It was very clean when we got it, and then of course, you know, we sent it through the shop and fully detailed it. You got one small chip right there and another one right there, both right on the top of the hood. And that's pretty much the only apologies about this vehicle. As you can see, the wheels are in excellent shape, no curb damage or scrapes. Of course, this does have the big panoramic sunroof on it. This has the 2.5 liter 4-cylinder in it. Backup camera, backup proximity sensors. Tinted glass on the rear windows there. And look at that, 4 out of 4 wheels without any curb damage. That's pretty impressive. Now this is a passive keyless entry vehicle, so you never have to take this fob out of your pocket. And of course we do have both of them. That's what that S stands for there, for the spare. So of course it's got the remote rear hatch, and then this thing, remote start there, memory driver's seat, and beautiful interior. The two-tone darker tan with the black, and then the nice diamond stitching on the backs of the seats there. Of course, steering wheel stereo controls, paddle shifters if you want to get into a little race mode there. 45,153 miles on it to be exact. Nice WeatherTech mats in it all the way around. Tilt and telescopic steering wheel. Navigation, backup camera, which I guess it's not gonna do that when I've got the door open. There we go. Backup camera as well as the 360 view, so it has cameras all the way around it. We do have driver and passenger side climate control. And back to the stereo, this has the nice Harman Kardon stereo in it with satellite. It sounds amazing. Let's see. There we go. As you can see, that roof goes all the way to the back. So very cool. And then it has the nice microfiber suede headliner in it. This thing is trimmed out very, very nicely. Heated and cooled seats for driver and passenger, heated steering wheel. You can adjust the suspension in the 4-wheel drive. We've got, of course, Bluetooth, and then you have the USB ports. And then nice little console area down here. The rear seat does not look to have been sat in at all. It is in perfect condition. Again, with the WeatherTech mats on the rear seats here. And then you've got USB and power supply in the back. And again, that diamond stitching just looks very rich. It's really pretty. And of course, these seats, they fold down, they recline, and they fold down if you ever need that kind of cargo space. So this doesn't want to do it with one hand. Let me see. There we go. Power lift gate. And then these are the original carpet mats that go with it. More owner's guides. Pump up for the tires, the compressor. Rear subwoofer for that stereo. And then the power folding middle row there. And again with another power supply in the back here. But very beautiful SUV. Low miles. Of course, we've got some excellent financing available for this vehicle, being such a newer model with great miles on it. All different types of financing for all different types of credit. Top dollar for your trade, of course, and we can help out with shipping and delivery as well. And of course, this vehicle does have a warranty included with it. So give us a call today. 757-676-4444. That's my direct cell phone. You can call or text me and let us know how we can earn your business. We appreciate you watching and look forward to hearing from you.